Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to bring you another video. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. So Akua Mensah is asking me to show how the gadgets on an airplane are used, and so let's get right into this video. So I have a few footages from the different airlines I have used in the past, and this is Emirates. And so as you can see, for the Emirates airline, this is economy class. For you to be able to use the remote control, you have to press the button next to the remote to eject it and pull on the string to release and also to replace it. And as you can see, they have the charging port right underneath the screen. You can also use a touch screen if you don't want to use the remote. For charging, there is also another option for a USB port right underneath the screen, which is close to where the 2-pin earpiece port is. So for Emirates, they give us this earpiece or headphones which has a 2-pin port, and all this is right underneath the screen in front of you. Not all the airlines have gadgets necessarily. Some airlines don't have charging ports at all. Neither do they have screens. And so you'd have to have your own source of entertainment if it's a long haul flight, or you think you are going to need to charge your phone. It's always good to have a power bank on such airlines. And this particular airline, EasyJet, I was using from London to Glasgow, and it was a short duration, and so they didn't have any charging ports or any screens as you saw earlier on. This is Turkish Airlines, and as you can see, the screen is quite simple, and right underneath that is a tray table, and they had a cup holder that was kind of an extension behind the tray. And so you can see that this tray table extends and it has these dents inside. You can store your cups as well, and this is how you store away your tray table. You pull on this knob, and there is also an earpiece. You can see this airline has a 1-pin earpiece, and it is inserted on the armrest. And so I also realized that in my travel, some of the airlines can get quite hot, and so you would need a mini fan so that you don't get too hot, and a rechargeable one is also great. And so this is Turkish Airline again. The screen has buttons on it, and it's also a touch screen, and you can also operate it manually using the buttons under the screen as you saw earlier on. red handle, and I assumed you can pull it to raise the leg rest, but it wasn't that easy. So I figured there was a button in between the seats that you can press to eject it, and also press to release it or replace it back to where it was. And so when it comes to the restrooms or the washrooms, it's quite simple. You go there to do your business. Some of the airlines have kind of a sensor, based faucets, and others have manual for both the sinks and the toilets. So the remote control has a button that you can press to release it, and it also has a cord that you can pull to release and also to replace. And as you can see, it has a lot of key pads or keys that you can use to also control the screen, and the screen is also touch, and so you have that option as well. And so if you have any difficulty when it comes to operating the gadgets on an airplane, and you also have difficulty finding, example, where to charge your phone or the charging ports on the airplane, or how to use any of the gadgets in general, feel free to ask an air hostess for assistance. And so I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to leave your comments, and I'll be happy to answer your questions, and also to help you navigate your way as a first-time traveler on your airplanes, on your airlines, at the airports. I have more videos where I show how to navigate your ways or your way at airports, and I would be more than happy to answer your questions on travel. And so feel free to subscribe. You are more than welcome to hit that red subscription box below and join the Josie fam. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and again subscribe. So for this airline, finally you could see that I just showed you where the charging ports were. It was right under the armrest between the two seats, and it wasn't easy for me to find. I thought there was no charger, but later on I figured there was a charger right underneath that side. And so that's it for this video, fam. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I have more travel content in my playlist. Feel free to watch, like, comment, share, subscribe, and join the Josie fam. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Thanks for watching. Bye fam.